You ever wish there were two of you, one that handles all the talking, selling, and posting, while the real you actually lives life? Because let's be honest, being online today feels like a full-time job. You need a website, funnels, videos, links, content, engagement, and yet most people still end up invisible. So what if I told you the era of doing it all yourself is over, and your digital self can now do everything for you? Hi, my name's VJ, and today I'm going to show you something so wild, so futuristic, it almost feels unfair. It's called Connectify AI, the world's first AI-powered bio page that clones your personality, talks to your visitors, and builds your brand automatically. That's right, it talks. It greets every person who clicks your link. It introduces you. It explains your offers. See, every link and bio tool out there is already dead. They're static, cold, silent. People click, look, and leave in seconds. But when your link speaks, everything changes. Visitors stay longer, trust faster, and buy quicker. In fact, early users of Connectify AI saw up to 7x more engagement and 4x higher conversions in just days. Because it's no longer a page, it's you, reborn as AI. Connectify AI doesn't just look human, it feels human. Your Instagram, Facebook, website, all auto-imported in seconds. Then the AI writes your bio, your headline, even your call to actions. You upload one photo or record a short clip, and boom. It turns it into a talking avatar that greets every visitor like a personal host. And it's not just for influencers or marketers. Coaches use it to get booked faster. Freelancers use it to show portfolios. Musicians use it to play their tracks right on the page. Affiliate marketers use it to explain offers while they sleep. Anyone with a link can all have an AI version of themselves selling 24/7. Imagine waking up tomorrow, you open your phone, and overnight your AI self-taught to 137 people. It showed them your work, it told your story, it closed sales, all while you were resting, spending time with family, or traveling. And the best part, there are no monthly fees ever. You pay once and Connectify AI works for you forever. So if you're tired of chasing views, tired of dead pages, and tired of doing everything manually, now's the time to let your digital twin take over. You're protected with our ironclad money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you didn't love Connectify AI, just send us a message and we will refund every penny you paid. Click the button below right now and activate your Connectify AI account. Let Connectify AI start talking for you today.